In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Visual Layout tool in Gemini. First, open your browser and head to Google. You can either search for Google Gemini or go directly to the Gemini app page. If you search, look for the official Gemini result from Google and click through to open the app. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access all the tools without interruptions. If the interface looks slightly different from what you see here, don't worry. Google updates the layout from time to time, but the options we need are the same. Once you're in Gemini, we'll start by crafting a clear, focused prompt. The quality of your prompt directly influences the quality of the layout suggestion you'll receive. Type something like, "Design a minimalist, modern visual layout for a presentation about a current technology trend. Use clear visual hierarchy, ample white space, and consistent typography. Include a clear title area, one main visual element, and minimal supporting text. Use neutral colors with one accent color, and keep the layout clean and easy to scan." This phrasing sets strong constraints that help Gemini produce a clean, professional structure. Feel free to adjust the accent color or the trend topic to match your needs, but keep the instruction style concise and specific. With the prompt in place, look for the Tools option in the interface. Click Tools to expand the available assistance. From there, choose Visual Layout. This tells Gemini you want a structured design suggestion rather than a general text response. It's especially helpful for presentations, posters, and simple landing pages where hierarchy and spacing matter. Now, click Submit. Gemini will process your prompt and generate a layout concept, usually with a clear title area, a focal visual zone, and minimal supporting text, arranged with intentional spacing. Review what you get and check for alignment with your goals. Is the title prominent? Is there enough white space? Does the accent color guide attention without overwhelming the design? If something feels off, refine your prompt rather than starting over. For example, you might specify a bolder title weight, a larger hero image, or a more subdued accent color. Then submit again to iterate. That's it. By starting with a purposeful prompt, opening Tools, selecting Visual Layout, and submitting, you can quickly generate polished, scannable compositions ready to adapt for your presentation or project.